I had just been to Walmart and I had picked up, I know this has been out for a while, but I had kind of gotten on a habit of not like looking at the makeup at Walmart like ever. If I did, I just looked at the e.l.f. section and moved on with life. But I was looking at their hard candy section and they had this hard candy Look Pro Ultimate Contour and Sculpt Kit. Now, like I said, I know this has been out for a while, but they actually, I think it was originally like $8 and they had it like clearance down to $4.50. So I needed a new contour kit, so I saw this one and I was like, might as well pick this one up because it's a whole kit and with a brush and everything. Now it does have directions on the back because it has everything like labeled in here, like it says number 1 prepped, 2 brighten, 3 contour, 4 blend, 5 illuminate, and it tells you right on the back, like it'll tell you like what to do with each one, and it has a little diagram. We're not going to follow that, but oh my goodness, isn't it like impossible to get into anything when you have nails on? So I want to see, oh, I like the way the brush feels. It has like a smaller one to do like contour around your nose and stuff, and then, you know, a bigger one for like your main contour, so pretty pumped about that. So we're going to go right into the third one, which is the contour. And you saw me open it, so first impression here. And we're just going, this is a cream contour, which I do like a good cream contour. I put my prime and put my foundation on, and so we're just going to go in with this. A good rule of thumb is kind of go off like the top of your ear, and we're just going to bring that down. This is kind of dry. It's kind of dry. It's kind of smudging my foundation out a little bit. I'm just going to slap that on there, and then we're going to come back and blend it, but I'm just going to get it like in its spot first. This is like a very ashy, we'll say, ashy color contour. My face is very warm right now because I have a spray tan, so my foundation is very warm right now to match my spray tan. Okay, so we got that like placed pretty good. So what we're just going to do is we're going to use the brush that it came with, and we're just going to kind of blend this out a little bit. The ashy or like grayness of it is definitely contrasting with my foundation, but it has a powder to put over it, so it's kind of thick and it's not really wanting to blend super well over my foundation, but you know, I guess it's doing alright. I just totally saw that like I didn't blend my foundation on the tip of my nose. I didn't put my concealer on yet either. This does have a concealer kind of in it. It says to use under your eyes, but I'm not going to do that because I just got a new concealer that I want to try. So we're going to use the little end and go down our nose. Start it up kind of like off the brow there, but not like off the brow. I just like skip that part, but then start it like right there. it does seem to give, I actually do like this shade on my nose. I'm liking that because it's giving, sometimes I have a problem where when I use contour my nose, sometimes it's almost like a little bit too like orangey bronzy, and then it doesn't, instead of giving it like that shaded shadowy effect, it just looks like I have like foundation buildup or something right on the side of my nose. But this actually is looking more like an actual like shadow, which is what you want. So I mean, it doesn't look bad over here, but I am definitely liking it on my nose. So that's a plus, because I'm not a fan of my nose. I've actually hated my nose since I was like 12 years old. I always said that when I grew up I was going to get a nose job. Haven't done it yet. Not going to rule it out, because you never know. But oh, I'm so sorry guys, but like I said, I've been battling a cold and I get bloody noses and my nose is starting to bleed, so you're going to have to hold on a second. I am so sorry. Sorry about that, guys. That's real life. That is real life. So, yeah, I'm liking this. I like this. I feel like it's like a subtle contour on my nose, but I really am liking this. Oh, this is the light medium. They do have like a medium dark one, and even though I have a spray tan, I still went with the light medium because I just feel like even with a spray tan, that's where I probably fall. Sorry, I just noticed my foundation was like oozing out everywhere. But yeah, so I'm gonna say, even though that's all I'm gonna use on that today, I'm gonna go back over this, you know, with some bronzer to kind of warm that up just a smidge. But I am loving this on my nose, and the brush is nice too. So and it seemed like once I really got in there, even though it seemed kind of dry on the top, you know, but like I said, I mean, maybe it's been sitting there for a while, but you know, it seemed to go a little bit better once I moved to my nose. But I'm loving this color on my nose. So I'm going to say that's, you know, that seems like a win. I know I didn't show you a whole bunch from it, but, you know, really, I just wanted, excuse me, a good contour color. And, you know, I think I'm going to be pretty happy with that. So, you know, maybe give that a shot, guys. You know, check it out. See if you've got it, you know, at your local Walmart. I don't know, because like I said, mine was like clearance down, so I don't know if it's something they're getting rid of or not. But, you know, at least I'm glad I picked it up. You know, hopefully maybe you guys can still find it too. So, see you next time, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the little bell so that, you know, you're notified anytime, you know, I upload anything else. See you next time, guys. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop back in real quick, and I just wanted to tell you that I actually didn't put a bronzer over the contour on my cheeks. Well, at all. Anywhere on my face. But I just wanted to touch base with you, and I don't know if you can tell in this lighting or not, but you're definitely going to want to put, if you use it down there, you're definitely going to want to put a bronzer over it, because it's definitely like real like gray muddy looking. Now I do still really love it on my nose, so I don't know if I'm going to continue to use it down here, because I didn't love the way it blended out on my face, and I don't love the fact that like it has to be covered with a bronzer to get rid of that like gray muddish look to it. But I did really love it on my nose. Now personally, and I did like the brush a lot, so for all the more I paid for it, it was only $4.50, like I said, because it was on clearance. I'm totally fine with just keeping it and using it on my nose, but, you know, I just wanted to throw that in there. After being out in the sunlight and wearing it for a little bit, you know, I just pulled my mirror down and was checking it out, like, in the sun in the car, because, like, let's be honest, that's, like, the way that you can see, you know, the best, and it's a little, like, gray and muddy looking there. But, so that's my thoughts on the contour palette. So I'll see you next time, guys. I just wanted to stop in real quick and give you that little update. So see you next time.